Hello everyone, welcome again in my videos. Nice to see you again. If you want to ask, yes, I'm fucking drunk. So even if it's really funny because I just drank 2 beers to Asakusa. I just was with my friends. There was something like a festival in town today, and we just I just thought maybe to buy some beers, because I've seen many Japanese people just drinking in this Japanese festival, Japanese beers, Asakusa, and then I said, why not, let's buy beers. So and then I just drank beers, only 2 beers, and I'm just only really excited and not so drunk really. So I'm starting to get my not homework but studying, because tomorrow I have something like a small exam about country, and it's not so hard, but I didn't study so much, and then I have to do something today. So it's like something like, oh my goodness, 10 o'clock of the night. I have at least to spend 1 hour to study this country, because tomorrow there's this test. It doesn't happen anything if I don't pass it, but I really want to do to have a nice results. And what I saw, there was this stuff like a fair, like an event here, a festival here in town, in Asakusa, here in Tokyo. There was this festival. People were bringing I don't know what, you will see in the video, so I don't know how to call them, because I don't know, something like a small altar, just things that they buy each time in this temple each year, and then they just throw away in the same day the old ones, and then they buy a new one, and for the new year to bring happy lucky in the business, like in almost everything. It's called Tori no Ichi, the day of the bird, so about Chinese zodiac. So and it was extremely nice. There were a lot of markets, lot of fun. I liked Japanese markets, Japanese festivals, because they're really quiet. There is not music. People are anyway enjoying the moment, having a lot of fun, being with friends, drinking, eating, doing everything they want, just without having like in our festival that there is a lot of chaos everywhere. So people drunk everywhere, broken stuff everywhere, so people drinking drunk everywhere. So it's really different, and then I really liked it. And there is a lot of amazing food. So I just bought takoyaki 2 times, and sweet stuff, I have no idea the name, let's have like pancakes. It was really nice, I liked it. So my hair today is really ununderstandable. Anyway, I just put the video now. If you want to watch the video, just have a look at the videos. It's really beautiful, I love it. I'm just taking this video now because Tyler is not here, it's just in the toilet. So I've been there with some friends. I visited something else, get some grocery and temples, things like this. It was a really nice day. We didn't have school today, and I would say just watch the video if you want. It's about this festival of Tori no Ichi. If you are in Tokyo in the month of November, just try to find it, because it's really amazing in Asakusa. Just find it. So have a beautiful, amazing day as usual, and please don't forget to subscribe. It will make me more happy, more drunk if you subscribe. Have a beautiful day really, and please leave a comment. I'm Pietro Gomez. I am doing a journey.